Hey my YouTube friends, hope you're having a great day, and today looking forward to sharing with you about the all new Viter Energy Extra Strength Caffeinated Mints. That's right, extra strength is something brand new for the company. The energy mints have been around now for a good couple of years at least, and have had the opportunity to try many of their flavors, love them, but the extra strength is something that I'm so glad they came out with, because some people need that extra boost of caffeine to give them the energy that they want. These are 80 milligram caffeine mints. 1 mint equals 1 cup of coffee. So I will put a link in the description to their other flavors that are not an extra strength that come in the tin cans. Here you could see they've created this very nice box, and just share with you how they came out with their mints is that they came up with the idea of Viter Energy Mints when we wanted more energy at the Dave Matthews Band concert. So what they have here are these packs. There are 30 packs in the box, 3 per pack, and they are great. I love, again, what they're doing. You can get also, when you click on the link in the description, you can get information on the ingredients. See, there's a review that asks the questions, but I look forward to sharing with you about my experience. These are the mints. What's nice is I've had the opportunity to try the different flavors as they've come up with the formula, and I think they've really done a great job with the taste. So there you go. As far as the flavor, I find that they've got a nice sweet peppermint flavor, not too strong, really just about right. And as far as energy, really feeling it. Instead of having a cup of coffee this morning, I have had one of the mints, and I really do feel it. I've tried it over the several days at my office. Sitting at the computer gets very tiring. So while I've had good level of energy in the morning, sometimes when having these, I've felt like may not have as much of an impact, but have had some. And it's funny how your body reacts differently, and even how I might feel as far as my energy level, you might feel a different experience. But I do like them, especially I've noticed a bigger difference for me in the morning than maybe in the afternoon. And I love the flavor to them, and these will be great to have on the go for hiking. If I go on a longer hike, maybe like a 8 to 12 mile hike, and I'm just kind of feel like I'm really getting exhausted, I need a boost of energy, then put one of these energy mints fresh in my breath, give me that energy that I need. So check it out today. Again, make sure to, if you're interested in their other flavors and you might not want the extra strength, you can go with one of their regular flavors, and then you could click on the link to those as well. So let me know what you think of the new flavor if you have gotten these Viter Energy Mints, and I appreciate Brian and Jacob sending me these to try, and really looking forward to seeing some of their other flavors and testing those out as well. And great job, guys. I love it, and hope you have a great energized day. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video. Take care.